Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Firefox browser on Vivo Y21S. To do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store and in the search enter Firefox. Here you should see this app, click on it and then select install. When it's ready, you'll be able to click on the open. Here we can customize the browser with different theme, toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing and here we'll be able to open any website, and as you can see the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.